Si Miss Tony Gonzaga, guys. Super idol rin ako na siya, guys. It's because she's very like a woman full of like wisdom. So yung nag-share siya about sa when you have like beautiful things that happen into your life. Sabi pa niya, you don't have to share it on social media. It's because like people daw tend to ruin beautiful things. So totoo naman siya. Like totoo naman. Kahit sabihin ng iba na ano, yung pinagsikapan mo yan, yung parang yung pinaghirapan mo ba, i-flex mo. Yung, di ba, ganun. But it's your right, it's your choice. Choice mo naman yun na parang ipaalam mo or post mo or ano yun, it's your choice. But yung rule, yun nabasa ko rin po yun na ano. You don't have to share everything on social media, lalo na sa SOCMED kasi daw. Parang it will attract jealous na spirits. So, syempre, parang they're going to top the kings and queens of like, yung parang to jinx everything. So, you don't have to post it everything. So, yun lang parang makaulit para secret para bibo. Charot.